So this is the place I'm gonna be working at today, you guys. It's gonna be indoors. So pretty close to the Galleria right now. So let's go check it out, maybe. So far, basically just moving boxes and tables, cleaning the rooms. They're doing it. We're doing inside construction. So they got AC inside. We're very close to the Galleria area. Really nice. As you can see, place. Well, right here, I'm outside.
Haven't had no stopping time. I'm just stopping the sandwich down real quick.
And this is a roly-poly. What are you doing over here, roly-poly? What are you doing over here? You need to get back to work. Get back to work, son. He's pushing in leaves, man. What's up, guys? I'm off work now. My broom and shovel over here, my backpack over there. I'm waiting for Tia to come pick me up because I'm the only one working here, so I had to walk over here. As you guys may or may not know, I'm gonna start uploading this video right now. Please like, subscribe, mostly share. Peace out. I'm also gonna be doing the same job tomorrow, so I'm gonna try and record more of the job because I'm also gonna be here Friday too. So I'm gonna be the next 2 days. This Tia. Peace out, you guys.